guys, happy week. Welcome to Happy Mantra. Today I'm taking a walk around my area where I'm living. I'm gonna share it with you guys. I just want to show you like how cool it is and the restaurants, but everything is closed like in the afternoon. So basically it gets lively in the evenings. And the roads here are so narrow, like they're very slim. So I'm trying to be careful not to be on the way of these cars. So this is my area and I'm just gonna walk a little bit, then I eventually step into a street where there is lots of restaurants. So yesterday when I was walking, I literally came across a shortcut of how to get to the mall, and I have to go through one hotel. I don't know if it's allowed, but I came across that shortcut. I'm gonna try to do that again. This is the hotel. I'm just gonna challenge myself. I don't know if it's allowed. Let's see. It's so beautiful though. So I'm gonna cut through and walk across to the other side. Yay, I managed. I was so afraid, like what if they tell me nope, you're not allowed to pass through here. But anyway, like that's why it's called a shortcut. It's just like a short way through the hotel into the street, and I am where there is a mini mall and lots of restaurants. So anyway, let's keep walking, my loves. The area is so beautiful, very quiet, serene environment. I just love it so much, and it's walkable. I love walking, so definitely a place to stay because you can walk to wherever you want to go to. Guys, if you have noticed, there is a lot of like electrical wires hanging on these poles here in Thailand, like a lot of them. I don't know why they can't put it underground, because maybe it's because it's in the islands. But I'm not sure, because like you have really beautiful buildings and then there are these cable wires. But anyway, I guess with time they will think about putting them underground. So this is where Villa Market, this is where I did my groceries yesterday. But I am trying to get to the nail spa because I have to do my toes. I'm trying to get to the nail spa that I saw yesterday. Like the roads are so narrow, guys. It's not even funny. But I think it's just this street here. Look at this car. A sports car. Oh my god. Nice. Porsche. So cool. I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think about these cables here in Thailand. What's your take? What's your thought about it? Do you think they're cool just like that, or they should consider putting them underground? So this is the beautiful, it's a mini mall, but it's so beautiful. This is they call it the night scene area because there's a lot of bars and restaurants. Like I said, everything is closed right now. Like most restaurants and bars are closed. They open around 5 p.m. So it's more quieter in the afternoon and gets busier in the night. So hopefully I'll come back later or tomorrow. So I got into this place because I want to do my nails, specifically my toes, because they look horrible. This is a very cool nail spa. I'm in the pedicure studio and I'm getting my toes done. I will show you the end results. Thank you. Let's get some food, guys. I want to eat in McDonald's and show you different foods that you will find here in McDonald's. It's different from all the other places that have McDonald's. So let's see what we're gonna eat here. Something totally different. I think I will order from this and then go pick up my order. Okay, let's see what we'll get. English, right? Eat in, okay. And I'll decide to pay at the counter, but you have an option to pay with your card over here. But I'll pay at the counter. So let's see what I'm gonna eat. They serve rice, guys, and in other McDonald's around where I've been, they don't have rice. Like when I was in Georgia, even in Africa, they don't have rice. So let's try the rice and fried chicken with Coke. I'm gonna go for the cheapest one. I'm gonna get Coke and spicy chicken. Yeah, I think I'll go for spicy chicken and add to order. Let's see what we'll get again. In Africa, I know we don't have mozzarella sticks, so let's go for that. Okay. I think I have to press this thing harder. Add to order. And what else? Let's see, burgers. Let's see what the burgers was different here. I'm gonna try the chicken burger because there's pork. Let me try the pork burger because we don't have pork back home. Okay, let me go for this one because it has a sauce. Then I choose which one I want. And then it's add to order. For dessert, I'm going to try their pineapple pie. I've never had that before. And add to order. Done. Let's see how much oh my god, that's a lot of money. Anyway, this is like $9. So let's try it, guys. No thanks. So would you like to take a service table, collect a pickup? I'll collect it myself. And yeah, I managed to get my sleep. Now I have to proceed to the counter to pay. Kakunka. Guys, this is my food here in McDonald's, and everything I'm eating today is different from what I'm used to. For instance, there's spicy chicken, which we don't have in Africa and some places I've been to, and rice. Like this one is the main food item that I've never come across in all the McDonald's I've been to. And the pineapple pie, also something very different. Mozzarella sticks, also different, and the pork burger, very different from what I'm used to. So let's try all this amazing food, guys. I hope I'm gonna be able to walk from here, but it's a good thing that I'm gonna walk after eating all of this, right? Let's dig in. Okay, I'm gonna try the rice first. Okay, I'm just gonna flip it in here, and it's got sauce with it. Tastes really good. It's got a barbecue taste to it, so not a bad taste. It's really good. Spicy chicken. So let's try it. Crunchy, very moist. It's not dry. I just love that it just melts in my mouth, and it is spicy, but the spice blend is the one that's amazing. It's really cooking in beautifully. So basically this is sticky rice, so it's a bit sticky, but once you mix it with the sauce, it's amazing. It's really good. Next up, let's try the mozzarella sticks. Tastes exactly like mozzarella, just that it's a crunchy one. It's a crunchy mozzarella. It's really good. Wow. Okay, next up, let's try the burger. The pork burger. I've never had a pork burger before, but I've had pork meat here. Wow, it looks really, really juicy. Let's try it. Wow. This is super good. This is a must try. It's the best. This food is amazing. The burger is definitely a must try. It's my favorite. I just love how juicy it is, and the meat is so soft. Let's try the dessert, which is the pineapple pie. Look how beautiful it is, guys. It's warm. Very crunchy, and it's got that pineapple gel inside. Definitely sweet. If you're a sweet tooth person, you must try this. It's really good. I really love this food. But like I said, it's different in all different countries I've been to. So let me know in the comment section below which country you're in and what you eat in McDonald's on a daily, or whenever you eat McDonald's. Do you have this kind of food in your place, or it's also different? This is the McDonald's here in Thailand. This is what we have. I hope you enjoyed this video, my lovelies. I'm just gonna continue eating my food and I'm gonna walk back home. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and share my videos with your family and friends, and hit the notification bell. Don't be left out every time I post a video. I will see you on my next video. From me today, it's all love. Tipples to
Yo tan loco en ilusionarme, creyendo en tus besos y tus caricias. La verdad no fue el culpable. Ay, todo tiene un propósito.